KAMROO Holding Group Company, Limited, founded in 2012, is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to the smart manufacturing of valves. Since its establishment, KAMROO has been driven by a commitment to technological innovation, offering advanced valve solutions to meet the diverse needs of customers. KAMROO's core products include a wide range of valves designed to perform under extreme conditions, including low and high temperatures, high pressures, severe corrosion, and the solid mixed medium. These products are extensively used across industries such as oil, chemicals, natural gas, power generation, metallurgy, electronics, and new energy, with compliance to various industrial pipeline standards. KAMROO operates with a customer-centric philosophy, focusing on building an automated, digital, and intelligent manufacturing platform. By leveraging the team's deep technical knowledge and extensive industry experience, we deliver customized solutions and superior product support to customers worldwide. KAMROO is actively expanding the global service network, responding flexibly to market demands. We aim to be the preferred partner in the fluid control industry by maintaining close relationships with customers worldwide, thoroughly understanding customers' specific needs, and delivering precise and efficient services. Equipped with cutting-edge high-precision testing equipment and a modern ERP resource management system, KAMROO exercises comprehensive control over every aspect of the production process, from material selection to final product delivery. We have achieved multiple international certifications, including the Special Equipment Manufacturing License TS, American API 6D certification, and European CE certification, solidifying our leadership in the pump and valve industry. In future, KAMROO will remain committed to driving growth through continuous technological innovation. We will further strengthen R&D capabilities, optimize product structures and performance, and maintain rigorous standards for product quality and development speed. KAMROO is dedicated to building a globally recognized brand, with the goal of becoming a leading valve company on the world stage.